Okay, so here's my take on TurboLearn. It's one of those tools that tries to make studying less of a chaotic mess, and it actually does a decent job. Basically, if you're drowning in lectures, PDFs, slides, and random notes scattered all over your laptop, this app tries to clean that up and turn it into something you can actually study from. You can throw in almost anything: a lecture recording, a YouTube link, a PDF, and it'll turn it into neat summaries, flashcards, quizzes, or even audio notes, so you can listen while walking or commuting. It feels kind of like having a personal AI tutor that doesn't judge your procrastination habits. The process is pretty simple. It transcribes your content. If it's audio or video, then the AI breaks it down into short, structured notes and study tools. The goals basically turn chaos into clarity, and for the most part, it works. I'd say it's pretty solid, especially if you're studying humanities or general education topics. It handles videos, audio, and text surprisingly well, and the flashcards with spaced repetition are a nice touch. But it's not perfect. Uploads can take a while, the interface still feels a bit rough in spots, and it doesn't always nail super technical or math-heavy subjects. It kind of feels like it's still in beta for advanced stuff. Overall, TurboLearn feels like a smart companion app for students who are tired of sifting through piles of notes. It's not perfect, but it's definitely one of the better AI study tools out there right now.